Today, I'm showing you how to create a Wavy Clones effect, a trippy animated style where your subject is duplicated and moves in smooth, wavy trails. It's perfect for adding a dreamy or energetic vibe to music videos or creative edits. Let's get into it. First, open your project in InShot and select the video clip you want to enhance. Now, tap on Effect from the bottom toolbar, make sure you're in the Effect tab, then scroll over to AI Effects and go into the Clone tab. Here, select the one called Motion. You'll instantly see clones of your subject moving in a wavy pattern. At the bottom, you'll get the option to choose how many clones you want, 2, 4 or 6. Pick whichever fits your style. Now, use the value slider to control the speed of the motion. Slide it to the right for faster waves or to the left for a smoother, slower movement. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap the check mark to apply. And that's it. You've created a slick wavy clones effect in InShot. Great for boosting your video's visual impact with just a few taps. If you like this one, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe for more quick InShot tutorials.